Here the question is find two numbers such that the sum of twice the first and thrice the second is 92 and 4 times the first exceeds 7 times the second by 2. Firstly, we need to formulate the equations. For that, we will take let x and y be the numbers. That is, the first number is x and the second number is y. In the first condition, sum of twice the first number, that is 2x, and sum, that is plus, and thrice the second, that is 3y, that is equal to 92. In the second condition, 4 times the first, that is 4x, exceeds 7 times second by 2, that is minus 7y, that's equal to 2. This is the second equation. So we will formulate the two equations. The two equations are 2x plus 3y is equal to 92 and 4x minus 7y is equal to 2. Now we will solve these equations. Multiply the first equation by 2, that is equal to 4x plus 6y is equal to 184. Now second equation as it is, 4x minus 7y is equal to 2. That is fourth equation. Now we will subtract these two. Equation 3 and equation 4 we will get 13y is equal to 182. That is, y is equal to 182 divided by 13. So we will get the answer is 14. So we get the value of y as 14. Now in the first equation, 2x plus 3y is equal to 92. We'll substitute the value of y. We'll get 2x plus 3 into 14 is equal to 92. That's equal to 2x plus 42 is equal to 92. That is, 2x is equal to 92 minus 42. That is equal to 2x is equal to 50. That is, x is equal to 50 divided by 2, that's equal to 25. Hence the final answers are x is equal to 25 and y is equal to 14. That is, the first number is equal to 25 and second number is equal to 14. This is the final answer. That's all in this video, dear children. Thank you. Stay tuned for the next video.
Need 100 by 100 in maths? Join the Samacheer Kalvi Guide. We provide online classes and concept-based videos for class 10 and 12. Need 100 by 100 in maths? Join the Samacheer Kalvi Guide. We provide online classes and concept-based videos for class 10 and 12.